Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Friday, July the 5th. Hopefully some of you still have a nice long weekend happening here. Temperatures are quite warm with our lows only dropping into the 80s across Acadiana. A real quick hi to Box Drop Lafayette. Don't forget, if you shop now and mention Acadiana Weather Today, you can get some free shipping. Their information is in the description below. Check out the sky cam as we've got partly cloudy skies here this morning. Temperatures have run in the lower 80s and roadways for the most part are dry. Haven't seen a whole lot of rain out there this morning. A couple of scattered showers out in the offshore waters. That's about it. But our temperatures have stayed quite mild across Acadiana, dropping down into the lower 80s over most of the region. Some upper 70s farther inland, and some big showers and thunderstorms along a frontal boundary that's draped across the deep south, across the middle part of the Tennessee Valley, and then on back down into northern Texas as well. And we're going to see high pressure staying in control just to our east, and that could still help to spark off a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Also, Hurricane Beryl is making its way onto the coast of the Yucatan, still expected to cross over into the Bay of Campeche and make a landfall somewhere close to the Rio Grande Valley, with some of the remnant energy bringing us a better chance for rain early next week. Frontal boundary there, high pressure still in control. The upper ridge is still there, but it is weakening, and that's part of the reason why Beryl is going to make its way northwestward toward the lower part of the Texas coast and then eventually get pulled inland in that upper trough. That could bring us a better chance for some rain into next week. But as far as any direct impacts from Hurricane Beryl, looks like we might see some higher coastal tides there, so some coastal flooding will be possible. And then early next week, we'll start to get some rainfall from that. Today, though, I still think we're going to be looking at widely scattered showers and thunderstorms firing up with the daytime heating. Temperatures should climb into the lower 90s for highs, with our heat index value getting close to 108. There's a quick look at one of our hurricane cameras over in Cancun. Not a pretty beach day there, as the winds are picking up and the storm surge is up as well, and Beryl is going to continue to make its way off toward the west-northwest, clipping the northern part of the Yucatan Peninsula and then moving back out into the Bay of Campeche sometime early tomorrow before reaching the lower Texas coast or upper Mexican coast sometime early Monday morning. And there is a look at the cone. Again, the 5-day forecast, which is in the white shaded area, basically takes this system very close to the southern tip of Texas, which isn't much of a change from what we've seen before. But as you go into day 6 and day 7, as it moves inland and weakens, we could see some of the remnant energy bringing us a better chance for some rain. But direct impacts from Hurricane Beryl will not be hitting Louisiana, and all of the computer models are pretty much bunched up on a landfall there over deep south Texas. Other than that, there's not much going on. 96L really kind of fizzling out, and there really isn't a whole lot out in the Atlantic Ocean either. So the National Hurricane Center really dropping any chances for other development here over the next 7 days. But we'll go over all of that and how the cone works too coming up in Let's Talk Tropics. That'll be at noon live here on Acadiana Weather Today. Up to 94 for your high today. Heat index about 108, but a good chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. 93 tomorrow with a good chance for rain and thunderstorms out there. Sunday widely scattered once again, and then early next week it looks like more widespread rains will come in. That is if the moisture from what is left from Hurricane Beryl starts to affect us sometime early next week. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on those notifications. That way you get the alert when Let's Talk Tropics starts later today at noon. If I don't see you at noon, I hope you have a great weekend. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. I'll see you on Monday.